A blind spot is a term commonly used in various contexts to describe an area or point within a particular field of view or understanding where something cannot be seen or perceived clearly or at all. The concept of a blind spot applies to different aspects of life, including physiology, psychology, and everyday situations. In physiology, one of the most well-known examples of a blind spot is the optic blind spot. The optic nerve, which transmits visual information from the retina to the brain, is connected to the back of the eye. This connection creates a small area on the retina where there are no light-sensitive cells, such as rods and cones. As a result, when light from an object falls on this blind spot, it is not detected by the eye, and the brain fills in the missing information, creating the illusion of a complete visual field. However, this blind spot can be demonstrated through simple tests, such as the blind spot test, which involves covering one eye and moving an object in and out of the blind spot until it disappears from view. In psychology, a blind spot can refer to a cognitive or perceptual limitation that affects one's ability to perceive or understand certain information or perspectives. It represents an area where a person may have biases, preconceptions, or a lack of awareness that prevents them from seeing the full picture or considering alternative viewpoints. Identifying and addressing these blind spots is crucial for critical thinking, empathy, and open-mindedness. In everyday situations, a blind spot can refer to an area around a vehicle where the driver's view is obstructed and other vehicles or objects may be hidden from sight. This is particularly relevant when changing lanes or merging onto highways. Modern vehicles are equipped with mirrors and blind spot monitoring systems to help drivers mitigate these blind spots, but it still requires vigilance and caution. Metaphorically, a blind spot can extend beyond physical obstructions or visual limitations. It can encompass biases, prejudices, and mental blocks that prevent individuals from recognizing their own shortcomings or the consequences of their actions. In interpersonal relationships, people may have blind spots that prevent them from understanding how their behavior affects others or recognizing the signs of a deteriorating relationship. Identifying and addressing blind spots in various aspects of life is essential for personal growth, safety, and effective decision-making. This may involve seeking feedback from others, engaging in self-reflection, or using tools and technologies designed to minimize blind spots, such as mirrors in vehicles or fact-checking in journalism. In conclusion, a blind spot refers to an area or point within a field of view or understanding where something cannot be seen or perceived clearly or at all. It applies to the physiological limitations of the eye, cognitive biases in psychology, and situations where obstacles obstruct vision. Recognizing and addressing blind spots is critical for accurate perception, critical thinking, and personal growth in a wide range of contexts.